Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to change your first name on the LinkedIn app for PC with the new update. If you've recently updated the app, you may have noticed that some things look a little different, but don't worry. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly where to go and what to do. Let's get started. First, open the LinkedIn app on your PC and make sure you're signed in. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the Me icon, which usually has your profile picture or avatar. Click on it to open the drop-down menu. From here, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage your LinkedIn account settings. On the left side of the screen, click on Account Preferences. This is where you'll find the section that allows you to edit personal details on your profile. Now scroll until you see Profile Information. Under this section, there's an option called Name, Location, and Industry. Go ahead and click on it. This is where all of your key profile details are kept. Once that page opens, you'll see the fields for your profile name. Look for the first name field. This is the part you can edit. Simply type in the new first name that you want displayed on your LinkedIn profile. Take a moment to double-check the spelling to make sure it's exactly how you want it to appear. After you've entered your new name, move down and click the Save button. Your profile will instantly update with the change, and your new first name will now be visible across LinkedIn. That's it. You've successfully updated your first name on LinkedIn using the PC app. It's a quick and easy process once you know where to find the settings. A small change like this can be really important, especially if you're rebranding yourself, updating personal information, or simply correcting a mistake.